What is up, my 50 subscribers? I'm out here again, solo band camping. In middle of October, it's pretty nice out here. There's yellow trees, yellow changing color trees everywhere around here. Let me show you real quick. Pretty nice all around. I'm not sure who did that fire pit. You're not supposed to make a fire pit here. It's a little parking lot for a hiking trail. But I'm not making a fire tonight. I'm just gonna grill. I'm just gonna draw the grill inside my van and just cook from there. But yeah, gonna be a short little video of camping overnight here, and that'll be it. Alright, bon appetit. Got the steak, got the tortilla. No salsa, which I'm disappointed. Totally forgot about it. Not fast though. That was pretty good. Over the past few months, I started work on the interior of the van. Normal Army cot. I got a slide out bed. Right now it's in single mode, but I can slide out to make it into two-person, full-size bed. And for the mattress, I'm using a foldable mattress, and it's easy to store away in a case. Right now I have my jacket hang up because the moonlight is gonna be in the way while I'm sleeping. I'm going to go ahead and set up my sleeping area real quick. Easy peasy, already set up. So a quick tour of my setup. Of course, I'm gonna sit on my bed right here. My fridge, my generator. Right here is a cabinet. I need to mount this securely to the wall, so I can put miscellaneous stuff in there. Down here is my power accessories. So I got my cigarette lighter outlet, USB, and my to turn on the power. And then down here is my table. My utensils, pots, pan, all the other crap goes down there. Then down here will be fluids, tools and whatnot. Got my bottle jack in here. So not bad setup. It does get crowded when I have two people sleeping in here. So I admit that I kind of wish it was slightly bigger. So I came back inside. I was taking a picture outside of the van. Took only one put. My GoPro died, but I came back in because I started hearing wolf. At first I heard wolf fall in the distance, and then suddenly all this wolf near my distance or near my area started wolfing. It sounded like half a mile away, so I just quickly came in here. I didn't want to deal with no wolf out here at this time, but I'm going to go ahead and drop in all the pictures that I took so far throughout the day, and add them to on my computer, and then post them up on this video, and then I'll post most all of them on my Instagram and my Facebook, so you guys can check it out there. Earlier today I had some friends with me to go to a shooting range, and then after that they went home, but I stayed behind, and before they went home I took some picture with my friends. This one was sunset pretty much, and then this one I just did right now before I started hearing wolf. Came out amazing, if I'm honest with you. Alright, you guys, I got you guys. Good morning. Good to leave my vehicle running because it's hell outside. So, see you guys in the morning. So it's 6:30. Gonna start the vehicle. Got pretty cold. Drop the call during the night because it got hot. Yeah, it's cold. I'm gonna chill in here for a little bit and clean up. It's not much to clean up. Clean up and then head on home. conversation. I just want to say thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you guys like the video, and as always, get out there, explore yourself, and I'll see you guys next time.